A poet reading. 1. She is sunlight, standing by the pool, in a garden we lace with flowers and songs, as we walked into ourselves, enshrined within a tactile moment, with no beginning, with no end, a brow lifted gently by rising lotuses receives the sky's deep reverence. As her eyes watch 7 golden koi swim serenely into provinces of silence. Then, on the left side, where the heart resides, a hand lifts reluctantly, as if compelled by lingering strands of bitter ancient winds, now sadly come together, taking her in ways that only harsh things can. There is always darkness to elide, after which she is again sunlight waiting to be poems. 2. She is someone we all know, especially those whose names are written in water, who scour big and small infinities, who are at times blessed by paths that absolve the failure of their lines, when, pilgriming, they find a star's immaculate art that returns us to this image, trysting yet again. Then lexicon and grammar and naming stir, bringing metaphor, metonymy, synopsis, plus assorted relatives to achieve a feverish making. That is never done, for our words don't take in all. A cup always slips, shatters into lamentations at imagination's door. The perfect poem is future tense. Meanwhile, neat incompletion must suffice. Life goes on. Meditate on words for modern times, alive to this surge, this minute and the next, curving towards us to reveal poet on poet's calling. 3. Question. Is there difference if you've heard this one before, or 7 other people read the same poem, if ever it's the same? Which do you, he, she and I hear or want? We anticipate having written a little ourselves. Some just wait, expectorant but undecided, contemplating means to conjugate verbal icons. Others crouch beneath a great authority, namely, phonemes dipped in sounds to set against despair. Or from tough shards of ancestral history, especially post-colonial midnight happenings, marked by the magic of powerful afterbirth. Perhaps that nascent celebration in our heads, waiting for release, or buried because love, singing, died. Or a special CD, loading a line from Keats, knowing a drop of dew is but a world of dew. But then, semi-finally, that satisfactory equation, briefly great, formed as all-purpose burns into cool radiance, then soars up the throat of language as she commands symbol, sound, and image to open and shut doors. Another poem does its work and then dissolves into earth, water, fire, air. 4. Impatient, the quiet starts to rustle and undo as rhyming fingers manage artifice and mood. Once more, she is sunlight by the pool, once more. Recalled, revised, recaptured for this gathering, she quivers, takes a space in several memories, is transmuted into many distances, as we listen to the one we come to find. The glass hall empties, awaits another coming. But she never leaves, our soul's certainty. See her as you will, as you can, as you travel, or sit still.